This video will show you how to transpose a matrix in PyTorch by using the PyTorch T operation. To get started, let's import PyTorch. We print the PyTorch version we are using. We are using PyTorch 0.3.1 post 2. Let's now create our PyTorch matrix by using the torch.tensor operation. The data structure will be this 3x3 matrix, where the first row is 1, 2, 3, second row is 0, 0, 0, third row is 4, 5, 6. Let's print the pt matrix x Python variable to see what we have. So we see that its first row is 1, 2, 3, second row is 0, 0, 0, third row is 4, 5, 6. It's a torch float tensor of size 3x3. To do the PyTorch matrix transpose, we're going to use the PyTorch T operation. So we use our initial PyTorch matrix, and then we say .t, open, close parentheses, and we assign the result to the Python variable pt transpose matrix x. Let's print the pt transpose matrix x Python variable to see what we have. We see that our original matrix has been transposed, which means that the numbers 1, 2, 3 now go down as the first column, 1, 2, 3. The numbers in the second row, 0, 0, 0, are now the second column, 0, 0, 0. The numbers in the third row, 4, 5, 6, are now the numbers in the third column, 4, 5, 6. Note that because we didn't use an underscore after the t, it means that we left our initial pt matrix x the same. So we didn't do an in-place operation. So when we did t, this t generated a new tensor, which was what was assigned to the pt transpose matrix x. So when we print pt matrix, which was our original matrix, we see that it was left untouched. Perfect. We were able to transpose a matrix in PyTorch by using the PyTorch T operation.